is my honor to introduce you to the band. As you are watching the clips, let me quickly let you know who you are seeing in the video. My name is Vickie Maris. I'm a singer-songwriter and a recording artist. My latest album is available in Spotify and all the places you like to listen to music. It's called Another Universe. I am also a learning experience designer, a Lean Six Sigma black belt, and I enjoy facilitating sessions in personal and team development. I'm the person playing guitar and accordion and singing on occasion in some of these video clips. My husband, Scott Greason, is singing lead vocals, playing rhythm guitar and harmonica. He fronts the band Scott Greason and Trouble with Monday and is also another singer-songwriter and recording artist in our group. And here are our other friends in the band, singer-songwriter Leanna Atwell on keyboards and vocals. You'll see Justice Fuller, another singer-songwriter, on violin. Drummer Stan Wallace, bass player Greg Brassey, Mark Moulter on saxophone and aerophone, and the other sax player you're going to see is Derek Coleman. On lead guitar, Kevin Ludwig. And our friend and recording engineer and producer Michael Kelsey, a touring guitarist, an award-winning guitarist, fills in for us on occasion in that lead guitar role. Michael is also a member of our music mastermind group, the Kelsey Greason Project. Members of that group include Michael, Scott, myself, and my accordion coach, Courtney Von Draley. You are seeing him on accordion in several of these video clips. In one of the videos, you also see Michael's drummer, Matt Cole, and in a second one, you hear Matt and Michael's bass player, Steve Carew. I've compiled this for you so that you could see the band playing in different configurations and in different venues to plant a few ideas in your mind about how this workshop might unfold in your organization. What's coming up is a description of the team workshop with the band. I have grown to be very fascinated in understanding personalities and the various types of personalities and how they drive our style of communication and our decision making. One of the ways I have explored that more deeply is to become an authorized partner with Everything DiSC and the 5 behaviors. Those are 2 portfolios of content that I have available to bring into staff retreats and executive education sessions where I'm facilitating or instructing around the topics related to team development and communications with your team. In our life as musicians, we have found a way to combine that with my interest in helping teams grow, and we do a very fun and interesting session with the band where I facilitate discussion around self-selecting into roles where we best fit and nonverbal communications with your team members as well as verbal communications. In this instance, the team is the band. We use the band and the information that we know about the band members' individual styles
I keep catching glances between you and her. Nobody told me, just told her. Oh, you say you gotta leave.
as a starting off point for a very interesting conversation. As the band members reveal their personality styles, it creates some very interesting conversation among the participants in the session and the members of the band and me as the facilitator. We have a lot of fun. And then it's also handy that there is a band available to provide entertainment to wrap up your event. I'll give you further description here of what this workshop looks like. If you have interest in bringing the band and bringing me in as a facilitator for your next staff retreat or workshop or conference event, and we have other bands and I have other facilitators of other content beyond the Wiley portfolio of Everything DiSC and the 5 behaviors. If you're looking for a different type of assessment to include as part of your event. This is a team communications professional development program plus a music immersion experience for your group. It's a unique and a fun way to get ideas for uses of both verbal and nonverbal communications. You will get to watch up close how the band members interact and communicate with each other during a performance. So to give you an idea of how this could look for your team, close your eyes and visualize that individuals from your group, or perhaps small groups from your team, are sitting on the stage area. And this could be a conference room floor. It doesn't have to be a stage. But it does need to include a sound system. And if you don't have a sound system for the band to plug into at your particular location, we can include that as part of the package. So don't let that hold you up. So back to the experience itself. Several of your participants of your group would sit or stand among the band members or on the side of the stage area and watch the band members work. You and your team members get a close-up view of how our band interacts when we trade leadership roles or toss instrumental solos around the group. There are forms of communication that have a way of transcending the music, and that's what creates a tight musical performance. It's truly an honor to be a part of this band. This group of musicians has been together for many years. We have worked as a team and have routinely navigated a variety of conditions. I think that's been a contributor to our success in our longevity and in getting called back to festivals year after year. We just have so much fun playing music with each other. I think that transcends from the stage out to our audiences, and we are grateful for that. The energy of the audience comes back to us tenfold. The band members have all taken the Everything DiSC workplace personality profile. There's a point in this workshop discussion when the facilitator, whether it's me or one of my colleagues facilitating your event, when the facilitator asks the band members to reveal their own personality type from the DiSC profile. It helps spur some very interesting discussion and communication among the group participants. This is a memorable way for your team members to glean takeaways about leader and team communications that they can put into action in their role in your organization. And then there's a bonus that if you would like to continue your event with a closing cocktail reception or some type of an event with entertainment, you have a band in place and ready to go. Our touring Americana band would love to play some music for you and your guests.